This tiny mesh tube keeps your artery open for years. Your heart is a muscle, and like every muscle, it needs a constant supply of blood to keep working. That blood is delivered by the coronary arteries, the small vessels that wrap around your heart like a crown. But over the years, a sticky material called plaque, made of fat, cholesterol, and calcium, can slowly build up inside these arteries. This buildup is called atherosclerosis. As the plaque grows, the artery becomes narrow, and less blood reaches your heart muscle. When your heart doesn't get enough blood, you may feel chest pain or pressure, called angina, especially when you climb stairs or walk fast. And if an artery becomes completely blocked, that part of your heart muscle starts to die. This is a heart attack. To fix this narrowing, doctors often perform a procedure called angioplasty. Angioplasty doesn't require opening your chest. Instead, it is done through a single small opening in a blood vessel, usually in your wrist or your groin. First, your doctor numbs the area and inserts a thin, hollow tube called a catheter into the artery. Guided by live X-ray images on a screen, the doctor gently pushes this catheter all the way up to your heart. To see the blockage clearly, a special dye is injected through the catheter. This dye shows up on the X-ray and reveals exactly where your artery is narrowed and how severe the blockage is. This step is called an angiogram. Once the blocked spot is found, a very thin guide wire is passed across the blockage. Over this wire, the doctor slides a catheter that has a tiny deflated balloon at its tip. When the balloon reaches the narrowed area, it is slowly inflated. As the balloon expands, it presses the plaque against the walls of the artery, flattening it out and widening the opening. This lets blood flow through freely again. The balloon may be inflated and deflated a few times to fully open the vessel. You might feel mild pressure during this, but the artery itself has no pain sensors. In most cases, the doctor also places a stent. A stent is a small mesh tube, much like a tiny spring, that acts as a scaffold. It is mounted on the balloon, and when the balloon inflates, the stent expands and locks into place against the artery wall. When the balloon is deflated and removed, the stent stays behind permanently, holding the artery open. Many stents are coated with medicine that slowly releases into the artery wall to stop the blockage from forming again. Once the artery is open and blood is flowing well, the doctor deflates and removes the balloon and catheter. The small entry point is then closed and bandaged. The whole procedure usually takes about 30 minutes to 2 hours. Most people go home within a day or two with a heart that is finally getting the blood it needs.